Beat a 3.
Nope, I didn't beat a 3.
No,
I mean, hey,
you
technically I
can
did beat a 3.
Okay.
Technically I did beat a 3.
Yeah, you're gonna curse them.
Yep. Oh, fuck me.
Hey.
You asshole.
Alright.
What if I had an 8K?
I cry now. Attack the Vanguard.
Yeah.
There's a great one that I wouldn't mind writing.
There's a heal trigger that
Yeah,
I
go ahead.
don't heal. Oh, I cry. Oh, I cry so hard.
Okay.
Oh, 19.
Okay.
Whatever this is.
Sure.
That's another great one.
Oh.
Playing Shadow Paladins correctly.
2 perfect guards wasted, no. Alright,
What do you mean 2 perfect guards? Did you ride one?
yeah.
Oh shit.
Plus 3 there.
No.
9 attacks Vanguard.
One.
Crit.
Ooh. Wait, what did you gain power to?
That.
Okay.
It has to hit,
I was
it has
like,
to hit you.
I was like, what do you give me power to?
Hey, Lamo.
2 perfect guards.
Attack that. It's a tanker.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Hard?
Okay.
My turn?
Go ahead.
Stand and draw. Get some G assisting.
Hey, Lamo.
Nah, no, not.
Okay.
9.
I fucking wish I put Sea Breeze.
Whatever this is.
14. Hit 1.
Hit 1. Power here, stand.
Oh, shit.
So I run the stands, boys.
That
Attack.
is why you run the stand.
Hey, Lamau. It's the stand I just put in too, which is a 20. Hi, Harry. Stride?
I fucking wish. I wish I put Sea Breeze in here.
Yeah.
No, like, I wouldn't take on anything for Sea Breeze though. What does that? Attack that.
What is that?
11.
11?
14 hit 1.
Yeah.
Power, heal.
Send check. Power, crit,
Attack there.
guard.
Okay. Go ahead.
Stand and draw, please. God damn it, come on.
Lamo. My boy Big Belly.
My boy Big Belly not showing up. Holy guard, because it's not hitting Vanguard. Vanguard.
Sure.
Drop a 5K.
No, that's fine.
Crit. Power.
Okay.
Whatever.
That's cool too. Stand and draw.
Man, if I could.
14 attacks Vanguard.
Guard.
11 attacks Vanguard.
Hit 1.
Crit power.
Are you kidding me?
Did I just win with that?
Maybe? Power here.
Okay.
No, you didn't. Power here.
Aw, lame.
Power heal.
Okay. How big is what now?
That's they're both 14.
Okay.
So that's not
Ah, lame. Go ahead.
hitting. I was like, did you just win?
I thought I won.
Yeah, you just won.
Why don't you fucking Jesus?
I don't want to. Vanguard.
Garbage.
Vanguard.
Look, I don't need this anymore.
Vanguard. Take
How,
'em.
how big?
14.
Fuck it. If I could.
Nope.
Alright, you don't have twin drag. Twin drag. It's so dumb.
Oh, this is really dumb. Oh yeah, I have 2 of these now.
14 attacks Vanguard. 20 attacks Vanguard. You're okay.
Condensato.
Okay.
Okay, the one time you don't hit triggers.
Alright, attack Vanguard. 18.
Guard.
Okay.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Stand and draw. Please! Okay, you know what? I cry. Regard.
Which one?
That one.
Okay.
The one I can actually hit.
Oh, okay. That's right.
Vanguard.
How big? 16.
16, almost at 17.
Okay.
14.
No, pass.
Hello, power stand.
I just lost.
Attack. Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
my-
didn't lose!
No! That would have been so clutch. Did you steal? Oh my god.
Okay.
That would've been
I'm
so
just gonna have
clutch.
Asmodee. I'm gonna call that.
That
though.
would have been so clutch.
I would have cried.
That would've
Attack the
been
Vanguard.
So clutch. How much?
18?
God.
11.
Oh, 11?
11.
On the pass. No triggers, please.
18?
Yeah. Heals?
Oh god, thank god. That was a dumb game one.